Facilities maintenance principles. The reality of body corporate committees is that they are in charge of buildings and property that is worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. We believe that the most effective way to manage and maintain your property is through a facilities management approach when a body corporate does not have a caretaking agreement. This means, instead of the body corporate or body corporate manager issuing work orders directly to multiple different trades, you engage a facilities manager, or FM, who has subcontractors that do the work. This allows the body corporate to rely on the FM to control costs and vet the quality of the work performed. When there is no FM, there is no way to verify that contractors engaged to do the work actually carry it out. Lot owners have lives to live outside of running a body corporate, and we do not expect you to personally guarantee sign-off on work without the appropriate qualifications. We have found that body corporates that engage in FM are able to save on their overall costs of maintenance as they have one firm to pay for work, and it is up to the FM to make sure the costs for repairs carried out in the building are competitive. Finally, these are the two documents we recommend when setting up an FM plan. Asset Register tells you what assets you have that require maintenance. Recurring Maintenance Plan sets frequency of asset maintenance. Got more questions about this topic? Give us a call on 1-3000-MY-BCM or send us an email at mail@thecommunityco.com.au. We are only a couple of clicks away. This is the Community Co., the next generation of body corporate management. Thanks for watching.